Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a beast that redefines luxury, power, and innovation in one stunning package. If you're a fan of long-haul adventures and next-level comfort, this is the rig you've been waiting for. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 isn't just a truck-turned motorhome, it's a rolling 5-star suite on wheels. At first glance, the bold front grille, LED headlamps, and aerodynamic body instantly tell you this is a modern classic. Kenworth kept the iconic shape alive, but enhanced it with a sleeker design, better airflow, and a premium finish that screams performance and style. Under the hood, you get a robust 15-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 565 horsepower and 850 lb-ft of torque. That means serious power, smooth highway cruising, and the ability to tow anything from a trailer to a toy hauler with ease. Coupled with the 12-speed automated transmission, the driving experience is effortless. Whether you're navigating tight RV, parks, or powering down the interstate. Now, let's talk about the interior, because this is where the T2000 shines. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of pure luxury. The cab blends seamlessly into the living quarters, where Kenworth has used premium materials throughout. Think hand-stitched leather seats, real wood cabinetry, ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic roof window that floods the space with natural light. The living area features a full-size sleeper sofa, a 4K smart TV with surround sound, and a slide-out dining section for extra room. The kitchen is fully equipped with a convection microwave, dual-burner induction cooktop, residential refrigerator, and deep sink, all in a sleek stainless steel finish. And yes, there's a private bedroom with a queen-size memory foam bed, smart climate control, USB charging ports, and built-in wardrobes. The bathroom has a full-sized shower with glass doors, ceramic toilet, and skylight ventilation. Technology in the 2025 T2000 is next level. The digital cockpit features a 15-inch touchscreen with full diagnostics, GPS, 360-degree camera views, and smartphone integration. Plus, there's adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a fatigue detection system, making long-distance travel safer and smarter. Storage? You've got massive undercarriage compartments, custom drawers, and interior storage cleverly integrated into every corner. Whether you're full-timing or weekend exploring, you'll never run out of room. But what really stands out is the driving comfort. The noise insulation is incredible, making the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds. The air suspension seating and adjustable steering add to that effortless feel that Kenworth is known for. Final thoughts? The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap in the luxury RV world. Power, comfort, design, and safety, all wrapped in one elite package. If you're serious about hitting the road in style and comfort, this could be your dream setup. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorhome and truck reviews. Drop a comment below if you'd love to take the T2000 for a spin. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.